Hello, my name is Bradley Cox and welcome to Events Masterclass. As the global event industry continues to expand, we find ourselves at the crossroads in many different areas of our businesses and organisations. From the integration of hybrid and virtual events back into live events, understanding the direction of the industry into the future, establishing what events and experiences look like today, and what clients, customers and audiences' expectations are. We are now setting new best practice and standards, management and operational techniques, and most importantly, recruiting and developing teams and people with skills, knowledge, and resources. With the loss of over 30% of established event professionals through the COVID pandemic, there is an increased pressure on our workforce with less experienced personnel requiring to perform above their current skill sets, all of which comes at a risk to our business and our events. 54% of current event industry employees are looking for new roles, with over 75% of them in the 18 to 24-year-old group. We face the challenge of how do we attract talent, upskill our teams, establish this best practice, retain our staff, and set ourselves up for the future, delivering amazing events, experiences, and campaigns. And ultimately, with a workplace of choice for our staff, with so many opportunities available for them in the marketplace. Majority of this comes down to company support, skill sharing, career development, and ultimately creating a culture your staff want to be part of. I developed Events Masterclass as a way of giving back, assisting teams, businesses, and event professionals based on my over 20 years of experience and knowledge producing, designing, managing and delivering events across the globe. I've been fortunate enough to have a broad career from theatre, corporate, public, sporting, community, government, education, not-for-profit and private sectors. Ultimately, regardless of where I was working or with whom, events are a people industry, and the knowledge and skills applied drive the outcomes and success of our projects and campaigns. My passion is now to share my knowledge and skills with as many people as I can to help develop new industry standards at world-class events, to be a mentor to your team of people, ensuring you, your team, and your business is operating at its best possible level, and ultimately you are delivering for your clients, customers, and audiences. Events Masterclass offers 3 avenues to assist your organisation and team to upskill, build knowledge, practices, and processes. My online course is a way your team can develop their skills and knowledge in their own time and at their own pace, either individually or as a group. The course covers 13 modules in an online learning platform with over 55 video presentations on key areas of events and the event industry. The course also comes with 15 of my most used, tried and tested event templates that your team can apply directly to their work, saving hundreds of hours of time and development. At the end of the course, each participant receives a certificate of completion, and of course, your team members will have a full overall understanding, knowledge, skills and resources to apply to their work immediately. Second is my workshops and coaching, where I collaborate and work with you and your team one-on-one or in a group environment, tailored directly to assisting your organisation and its needs. This may be a particular aspect of improving your business operation or services, how your team works together, problem-solve an ongoing issue, analyse and improve your projects and events, deliver specific modules from the Events Masterclass online course direct to your team in a live environment, or consult and strategise with you on your event campaigns, complex events, concepts and solutions, and special projects, or just a general question and answer session on any event industry related topic that will assist you, your team, and your events. And lastly are my keynote presentations, which can be delivered to small or large groups and audiences, either internally, to your clients, or integrated into your events. Some of the key topics I cover include how to create an experience that's more than an event, the business of events, giving a brand a life, leadership and working with multiple generations, or overcoming burnout and stress and managing the mental health one of the world's top 5 most stressful industries, in which I retell my own unique story and how I overcame a complete body shutdown. And lastly, the power of showcraft and storytelling in live events. Alternatively, I can provide Q&A sessions and panel discussions on event-related topics to your group or audience. All options are tailorable to your needs. You may want your team to complete the online course and then come together for a workshop on a key topic. You may want to stagger a series of workshops over a period of time, or you may just want to deliver a key message, industry update, or story. I'm happy to discuss what your objectives and focus is and tailor my services to your needs and desired outcomes. Professional development is more than staff training. It benefits both your organisation and your employees in their career. It has been identified as one of the most attractive value-added benefits to recruit and retain staff. In a market where demand for talent is high, through Events Masterclass, I can help you set yourself apart from your competition and ensure a happy, engaged, effective and efficient team for the future that delivers your services to a world-leading standard. And ultimately, you are delivering the best events and experiences for your clients, customers and audiences. Please take a look at my website, eventsmasterclass.co, for more information, and feel free to contact me at brad@eventsmasterclass.co to set up a time to chat through how I can help you, your team and your organisation be the best it can be. I look forward to talking to you soon.